woke up but I gotta go back. Tell mama I ain't no slack. I'ma make it in this world, I'ma show you girl. Might fall but I ain't gon' tap. Just thought that I'd let you know a couple things that I can't let go. I want it all but I gotta make the call to get this job or get this dough. Two sides of the same old story. No love in the game, agreed. No time for a boy to dream. No time for me, no time to breathe. But I ain't a quitter, you should goddamn know better. Make a band, nigga, goddamn ball better. I'ma take it to the top, everything and I'm not. You lost, I'm a goddamn go-getter.
I look for the bus stand, but while riding I think of us day. At work I just take time, and on through my coffee break.
Yeah, I'm in today, I'm overworking, I'm underpaid. They taking off, I'm going late. They slacking on, they coffee break. But I had enough when I want to raise. And I know my cards and I know the game. But I'm strutting around like I own a place with my head up high like I know the way. And I'm walking in so confident, so debonair, so off the wind. I am the man, let's not pretend. I can do it again if you're not convinced. Cause I know the deal, this do or die. I'm Ron O'Neal and Superfly. They see the boy, they know I